it's Sammy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is with one of my favorite things to do, nunchucks. So if you've never done nunchucks before, if you've just begun, or even if you just want to review some basics, I'm going to break down the 4 basic rebounds with different variations so that you guys can get practicing on your nunchucks and learn this awesome weapon. If you guys like this and you want to learn more, then feel free to check out my whole nunchucks class. It is available for only $9 and you get lifetime access to it. Basically, I go over all the rebounds just like this. Then we take it up a level, we learn some more strikes, and at the end we put them in a combination which you guys can train with and practice at home. It's an awesome class if you are brand new to nunchucks. It is going to be linked in my description below. Also, if you're looking for nunchucks and you want to get some like the ones that I have, these are my Samery signature nunchucks. They are 3-chain and they are made of a light wood. I will leave that linked in the description below. If you also want to check out some other colors, you can check those out. I'm linking the Century Martial Arts Nunchucks page where they have like literally so many colors and designs. They're also made of basically like the same type of wood which makes them light and competition styled. But now let's just go ahead and get started with today's video. Alright, so the first thing that I want you to do is grab your nunchucks. You're going to grab at the very, very top just like this. If you're doing single or double, doesn't matter, just go ahead and grab at the very top. And we're going to bring your nunchucks up towards your back. What we're going to do is our first rebound. Rebound is any time it's going to bounce off of your body to switch directions, and there are 4 basic ones. So the first one is going to be rebounding under your armpit and coming back up. Let's try that 10 times. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, if you notice, I'm keeping my elbows out. Literally, all I'm doing is coming under. The chain is hitting under my armpits, and then it's coming back and rebounding up. Okay, that is the first rebound. Now we're going to take it to the second one, which is going to be just like that, except this time we're going to be rebounding down to our hips. So if you notice, when I do it, the chain is going to come down, hit my hips, and back up. You don't want the stick to be hitting your body, because then that's going to end up hurting you. Okay, you just want the chain to hit and rebound back. Let's go ahead and do 10 of those. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. So that is rebound number 2. Now let's go into rebound number 3. For this one, we're going to be in our horse stance, nunchucks up. We're going to rebound under the inside of our legs and then come back up. Ready? Let's do 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remember, the stick is not hitting your leg because that hurts. You're just having the chain touch the inside to switch directions. Okay? And the last one is going to be our side-to-side hip rebound. So you're going to start with both of your nunchucks over on one side, take it over to the other side, and just do that 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good work, guys. Okay, now we're going to go into the next variation of our rebounds, but before we go into that, let's make sure we work on our spins because we're going to need those for this exercise. So have your nunchucks out and let's just work on forward spins. Okay, just like this. Usually I like to do these for about 30 seconds, so let's just go ahead and get started. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see, but keep spinning. All I'm doing is spinning it forwards just like this. What I want to make sure I'm doing is not these huge motions with my whole arm, but just keeping them really light and small in my wrist just like this. Okay, let's do 5 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to do the same thing going backwards. So ready? And backwards, just like this. Keeping them nice and straight at your side. If I turn to the side, this is what it looks like. You guys keep spinning. Awesome, keep it nice and straight. Just like that. Let's do 10 more seconds. Keep spinning, keep those movements light. You don't want them big and bulky like this. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good work. Now let's see how we're gonna use these. So let's go back to the first rebound. Just like this. When we're up and we're going down to our armpits, we're going to do 1 spin down and then tuck under so you can rebound back up. On the way back up, we're going to do our backward spin and coming back up. just like that. Go ahead and practice that a few times if you need to. Forward spin down, backward spin up. If it's easier, you can just start off with one nunchuck, forward, back. Or you can do multiple spins, go into that forward spin, and when you're ready, go ahead and go down. And then same thing coming back up, go into that backward spin, when you're ready, come up. Let's go ahead and do those 10 times. Ready? Get set and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice work. Next one, same thing, but down to your hips. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. Same thing down to the insides of your legs. So you're going to go into a horse stance, bring them up. I'll go a little slower on this one because it really hurts if you hit your knees. So let's take this one slow. We're going to forward spin down, hit on the inside, and then backward spin up, just like that. Okay, let's do 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice job. And the last one is just going to be those side-to-side ones. So starting off on one side of your body, we're going to do 2 spins one side. Same thing coming back. 2 low spins the other side. Okay? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice work. So that is all 4 of our rebounds with spins. Now let's go ahead and do all 4 with a different variation. This one's going to be alternating. So for this one, you're going to have one nunchuck up, one nunchuck down, starting at your armpits, and what you're going to do is the same rebound, just alternating so that they're going opposite. Okay? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing down to your hips. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Same thing down to the insides of your knees. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now same thing, but crossing your arms in and out. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Doesn't really matter which hand goes in front. I typically just like to switch back and forth between either my left or my right one going in front or back. Okay? That is the 3rd variation. And now for the last variation, what we're going to be doing is everything that we just did mix into one. So we're going to be doing alternating with spins. It's going to look like this. One goes up, one goes down. Actually, let's go ahead and learn this one on our hip because it's usually easier to learn it down here. So one of my nunchucks is going to do a spin down. The other one's going to do a spin up. Okay, one more time. The top one's going to do a forward spin down. Other one does a backward spin up. Now the goal is to do them at the same time. It's going to look like this. And that's 1. Let's go ahead and do this all the way to 10. If you need to go one at a time like this, that is totally fine. If you can already do it switching, then go ahead and do those as well. Ready? 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down to the insides of your knees. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now crossing side to side. So here, important thing is do your spin first, then cross your arms. On the way out, you're gonna uncross and then do the spins. Don't try and do crossing and spinning at the same time. You're gonna end up with a mess and a crash. Okay, let's do this 10 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. So let's just do a quick review. Nunchucks up. Let's do all 4 just simple basic ones. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Now with spins. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay? Now alternating. Starting at your armpits. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay? And then the last one alternating with spins. Starting at your armpits. We haven't done this one yet, so you're gonna go 1, 2 to your hips, 3 to your knees, and then 4 crossing on crossing. Okay? Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed it, especially because these are my favorite weapons, so I'm a little biased and really hope that you like nunchucks. Like I said, if you guys want to do more of the class, feel free to check out the link in the description below. Otherwise, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel so you don't miss out on any videos, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Have an awesome week training. Bye guys.